Hi friends, welcome to Lakshmi YouTube channel. Today I am sharing a simple and tasty, yummy, delicious chana dal halwa. For this, first we have to take the pressure cooker and add the clean and washed chana dal. No need to soak this chana dal. Now in this add water and close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Now you can see after 2 whistles the chana dal is cooked. Now we should strain the water from chana dal. You can see here how I am straining because we should not throw this chana dal water. So here I am taking a bowl and keep the sieve and put the chana dal so that all the water will completely get strained. Now you can see the water is completely strained. Let the chana dal cool down completely. So keep it aside. Don't throw this chana dal water. We can make rasam or sambar, or we can use this water in soups and dal. I will show how to make rasam with this chana dal water in the next video. Now the chana dal is completely cooled down. Take a blender and add the chana dal and blend coarsely. Don't blend it into fine smooth paste. Now you can see the chana dal is coarsely blended. Still chana dal is there. So keep this chana dal mixture aside. Now we'll see how to make this chana dal halwa. Take a deep and thick bottom vessel like this and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee and add chopped dry fruits. Here I am adding cashew and badam. You can add dry fruits of your choice. Now let the dry fruits fry in the ghee for 2 to 3 minutes till they turn into golden color. Now you can see after 3 minutes of slow cooking the dry fruits are turned into golden color. Now in this add grated dry coconut. Add more dry coconut because it gives very good taste. Fry this dry coconut in the ghee just for a minute. Now you can see the grated coconut is roasted in the ghee for a minute. Now in this add coarsely blended chana dal mixture and mix well with the dry fruits and coconut. You can see here I am mixing. Now in this add 2 cups of sugar. If you want more sweet, you can add extra half cup of sugar. Now mix well all the ingredients. The flame should be low, otherwise the halwa will get burnt. The entire halwa should be made on the slow flame. Now you can see the sugar is slowly melting. Mix continuously in order not to burn the halwa. Now you can see the sugar is completely melted. Now in this add ilachi powder and mix well. Let the chana dal cook on slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes on very slow flame. Now you can see the chana dal paste is cooking in the sugar syrup. Stir continuously. Be careful because while cooking this chana dal halwa, the bubbles coming from this will fall on us. So we should take deep vessel like this. You can see how the bubbles are coming, means the chana dal paste is cooking. Now you can see the chana dal mixture is slowly leaving the vessel and also the ghee also oozing, means the halwa is getting ready. Now you can see the consistency of halwa should be like this. Because when the halwa cools down, it will become thick. So this is the right consistency. and also the halwa got the correct consistency. Now turn off the flame and let it cool down. Now the tasty and yummy chana dal halwa is ready to serve. We can store this chana dal halwa for a week in refrigerator. The tasty and delicious yummy chana dal halwa is, you will love this chana dal halwa. Do try this chana dal halwa. This is very simple, but be careful because the complete process should be done on slow flame. Do try this chana dal halwa and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.